Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming Aternos is online and not in maintenance. This saves wasted troubleshooting. Once confirmed, immediately download the latest world backup and server logs so you have a local copy. Make sure to note the server name, IP, and the time the crash happened. These details help isolate patterns. Next, stop the server from restarting automatically while you inspect files. Doing these steps first prevents data loss and prepares you for focused diagnostics. You now dig into server logs to find exceptions or memory errors. Look for repeated stack traces pointing to a plugin or mod. Once you identify suspects, disable non-essential plugins and restart. If crashes stop, re-enable one by one to isolate the cause. Make sure the server jar matches your mod pack and the Java version aligns with Aternos requirements. Also check RAM allocation. Insufficient memory often triggers crashes, so adjust settings and retest. You finish by restoring a clean backup if corruption persists, or by replacing the faulty plugin or mod with an updated version. Test after each change. Once repairs are in place, allocate appropriate RAM and run the server for at least 30 to 60 minutes while monitoring logs in real time for regressions. If it still crashes, clear player data for suspected corrupt accounts or contact Aternos support with your logs. Key tip: always keep rolling backups before each change to revert quickly if.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.